Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. You might be seeing this on my lawn mowing channel, or you might be seeing this on my automotive channel. And if you're seeing it on my automotive channel and you want to know how I like to run my lawn care business, you might want to check that out down here in the link below. And if you're seeing this on my lawn care channel, you'll see all my automotive content with all my cars, my MR2 that's hiding right there, and all that kind of stuff. I got that link down below to send you over there. But today we are going to change the oil in my 2014 Toyota Tundra. It's not that hard, but some people, you may need a little tidbit here and there on what you need to do. The oil filter on this is just a little bit tricky. It's different than some of the older cars, but without further ado, let's get into it. To start off, you'll need an oil funnel, 7.9 quarts of oil pan, Toyota oil filter kit, a 1/2-inch ratchet with an extension and a 21mm socket for it, a 14mm socket for the 3/8-inch ratchet with an extension, a standard screwdriver, and a Toyota specific oil filter wrench. Once you're under the hood, make sure that the oil fill cap will come off. As you can see, mine takes 0W20. The filter will be located here, and the oil drain plug will be a little further behind it here. Start by taking the 14mm setup and removing your drain plug. Don't forget to put your oil pan under it. The filter housing is a little different than the typical one. This silver 3/8 drive piece is where you can drain your filter so that you don't have oil spewing all over the place whenever you remove the housing. The little bit of residual oil that comes out is not all of the oil. The Toyota oil filter kit comes with this plastic drain piece that you have to shove into the bottom of the filter of the housing to drain it. Once the filter is done draining, take the plastic drain piece out and then take the 1/2-inch setup with a 21mm socket and the Toyota specific oil filter wrench and remove the oil filter housing. This can be very tight and difficult to remove. I let the oil filter fall into my pan and drain the rest of the housing. Wipe off the threads, and now you'll need to remove the old O-rings and replace them with the new ones. Don't forget that the new O-rings need oiled before you put them on. Place your new filter in the housing and screw it back in. There's another small O-ring and we'll get to that in a minute. You cannot tighten this oil filter housing by hand. You have to use the 21mm setup with the Toyota specific oil filter wrench to tighten the filter housing back up. On the bottom of the housing where the filter drain plug is, that is where you place the smaller O-ring. Your old one may still be in there, so remove it and replace it with a new oiled O-ring. Grab your filter drain plug and tighten it back up with a 3/8-inch ratchet. Don't forget to put your oil pan drain plug back in because I forgot to record it. This motor takes 7.9 quarts to refill with a new filter. Fill it up with close to the 7.9 quarts, put your filler cap back on, and start the motor. Check to see if your oil pressure has risen, and then look under the truck for leaks. Once you have determined that there are no leaks, turn the truck off and remove your dipstick. Wipe off the oil that is on it and reinsert it, then remove it to get a good reading of the amount of oil that is in the pan. Because when you started the vehicle, some of the oil was put from the pan into your filter, and you need to replace the oil that was in your pan. While I'm here, I guess I'll fill up the window washer fluid. Alright, to reset this light, I got this at the best position I can. You're going to want to turn the key to the on position. As you can see, hopefully, I've already got it at trip A. If it's not at trip A, press this until it gets to trip A. Turn the key to the off position again. Hold down the trip button and turn your key to the on position at the same time. Resetting maintenance data. And keep on holding it down until that pops up. And you turn your key back off. You turn your truck on. You shouldn't have the required maintenance light anymore. And there you go. The required maintenance light is gone. So everyone, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you got any questions, leave them down below. I'll try to answer any of them down there. And besides that, I hope to see you guys next time here on Nick's Drive or Sanders Lawn Care. Thank you.